Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Today I decided to give you some POV content. A lot of you guys asked me about it, so I'm going to go ahead and provide that for you right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So today we're actually going to meet up with a couple of buddies. We're actually going to take a trip to Mexico. There's mountains in Mexico, and when we're there, we're just going to cruise around the back roads, really try to get a feel for the car, and try to feel how the tune is already. Now, if you guys don't know, I'm currently on Unicorn Motor Developments. I'm still waiting for my tune from EQT, which is Equilibrium Tuning from Ed Suman. I have not received my base map yet, but I will soon. But I wanted to get a feel for the car, especially now since this virus is going around, and unfortunately, we're not going to be able, we can't go too far out because now it's getting a little bad. Since the roads are clear, we figured we're going on some back roads in Mexico, and then definitely go ahead and check it out. So without further ado, I'm in New York now, but it's definitely going to take a little while to get to Mexico. So let's head out there right now. Okay, so as you guys know, this is a 2017 Volkswagen GTI. If you've been following the channel for a while, awesome. If you haven't, make sure before we get this video started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can get the other content. However, if you guys, all the people that do know about the car, you do know that it's now a fully built bottom end from Integrated Engineering. It also has a Litco L500 turbo, Precision Raceworks Walbro 525, low pressure fuel pump, Autotech high pressure fuel pump piston, and a few other bits and goodies and bar sensors. The tune was never really finalized just because we ran into an issue where the car thinks it's overboosting. So at 30 PSI or higher, the car will throw an EPC light, so you will see that throughout the day. But the car is absolutely perfectly fine. I've sent logs to my new tuner, and he's looked at them and said it's been okay. This guy definitely just want to get an opportunity to get a good feel for the car. It's a nice day today. I really wanted to get the car out and really see what she can do. So so without further ado, let's get into it right now. Oh guys, look, a tunnel. It's only fair, right? It's only fair. Let's get closer to the wall so we can hear all the noises. Never gets old. Oh my God. So we finally made it to Mexico. So here's some back roads for you that we're gonna rip. Turn track control off. Don't worry about the EPC light. I have the EPC light for overboost code, so. In Mexico, a lot of trees than what I remember in Mexico. Actual road spot first. I've been to this place in Mexico before. I've been here, but I've been in this location, but I haven't been on this road yet. All season, so just putting some heat in the tire. Ooh, nice bump. We're in Mexico. my God, yes. Oh, this car is amazing, even on all seasons. These tires are garbage, let me not hold you. These tires are definitely crap on the car right now, but my God, does it still handle. Guys, so you know, it was a short video. Definitely got some good experiences with the car driving back from Mexico now. Some things that I really was very surprised, even on these, I bought some crappy tires just to last me through the winter before I get expensive tires for next season. I was very, very happy with the way the car handled. It handled extremely well. And the car overall is pretty good. Like I said, there was an EPC light. Every time I go over 30 PSI, that EPC light comes on, but it's not there now because I just started the car again. So no EPC light right now, but if I hit over 30 pounds of boost, then it happens. But it's just great. It's been a really, really good day, and I'm very, very happy. But guys, if you did like this video, or if you want to see more content of POV drives, like you saw today, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle.